Let's explore the summation series. We start with the sum. The n term of the series is 3n minus 2 times 3n minus 1 times 3n. Further, we can write this as 27n cubed minus 27n squared plus 6n. Thus s equals 3 times the quantity, 9 times the sum of r cubed from 1 to n, minus 9 times the sum of r squared from 1 to n, plus 2 times the sum of r from 1 to n. Substituting the summation formulas into S, we find Finally, we find S equals 3 over 4 times n into n plus 1 into 3n plus 1 into 3n minus 2. For the specific series, we found n equals 34. Putting the values in S, we find S equals 9,192,750.